Today I will show you how to make the simple Chinese chicken chow mein recipe. It's very delicious and easy to make. Before we get started, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's go ahead and get started. I've used simple ingredients: thyme, garlic, onion, soy sauce, Guyana casrip, which is made from the cassava juice, salt and pepper. I've also used Chinese 5 spices, chicken bouillon, and here's a sample of what the casrip looks like. I used 1 pack of chow mein. I've already cleaned and washed the chicken. You can use bone-in or boneless chicken as well. Now that I have all the ingredients here in one place, I will go ahead and get started. You can also use a little bit of sugar to give it a sweeter taste. For veggies, I'm using corn, carrots, and cabbage. I will now mix all the seasonings together into the chicken and marinate for about 2 hours. If you have green seasoning already prepared, add about 2 tablespoons to give it more flavor. See my recipe for green seasoning in the link below. I like to use my hands to mix the seasoning into the chicken, but you can go ahead and wear a pair of gloves. Now put water in the pot to boil. As soon as it's boiling, add the chow mein into the boiling water. Separate using chopsticks or fork. Boiling time is approximately 6 to 8 minutes. You can add olive oil and a touch of salt. Cover and let it cook until soft. You can check it with a fork or a spoon. If it breaks, then it's fully cooked. Now that the chow mein is cooked, go ahead and strain it and put a little dash of olive oil to loosen it up. Now put the seasoned chicken into a heated pot and let it simmer. Turn frequently and go ahead and check it frequently as well. The pot is sizzling and looks like the chicken is almost done. Now add your veggies and let it simmer in the juices of the chicken for maybe about 5 minutes. Stir frequently and go ahead and check it frequently as well. Looks like the veggies have cooked nicely. Go ahead and give it a little stir. Then add your chow mein. Make sure to stir that well and mix it up with the chicken juice and the veggies. Keep adding the chow mein and keep stirring it in so that it's all coated with that freshly made chicken juice. Now it looks like it's all done. And there you have it, folks. There you have it. Chinese chicken chow mein, Caribbean style. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave your comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients below as well as the recipe for the green seasoning as mentioned in my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.